Hey everyone, thanks for jumping back into the cryptoverse. The ADA TornADA continues. If you guys like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and also check out the Telegram channel, which you can find a link to in the description below. Remember, if you do want to earn interest on your ADA, I would recommend staking with the ITC stake pool. Let's go ahead and jump in. So ADA is making a run at a very, very modest $2, okay? And we discussed last time what needs to happen. What needs to happen for ADA to make that run to hopefully $2 and above. I mean, hopefully $2 and something. I mean, $2.40 would be kind of nice. Double the prior stablecoin price of ADA, $1.20 that we had for a month and a half or a couple months or so. But what's causing this move? Well, it's what we discussed last time. Remember, ADA likes to move when Ethereum's not, okay? And as we've said before, when the dog's away, the cat will play. Bitcoin's the dog, Ethereum's the cat. When the cat's away, the mice will play. And mice referencing altcoins. And what you'll notice again is what caused the surge from the $1.30 range up to the $1.70 to $1.80 range. What caused that surge? May 5th, May 6th, and May 7th. This was when Ethereum finally stopped putting in these crazy new all-time highs, right? It started to level out for a few days. Okay, it started to level out for a few days here. And then again, ADA is starting to move. Why is it moving? What's going on? Bitcoin's not doing anything remarkable. In fact, Bitcoin has been dropping, testing its long lost friend, the 20-week SMA. So Bitcoin's dropping. Ethereum has come down. ADA doesn't care. It's the ADA TornADA. And one of the things that we talked about too is the ADA Bitcoin valuation. And we discussed over here that the ADA Bitcoin valuation was looking relatively bullish, and that we were looking to make a run back up to at least this level a few days ago. And we're making that run, it seems. We've already done a lot of it. In order to get back up to the top, we need to go back to we got to go back about 8% or so. Now, the last time we did this analysis, Bitcoin was, like 56K, 57K. And because this is the ADA Bitcoin valuation, we were speculating on the price of ADA if it reached this valuation. But now we know the Bitcoin price is not invariant, and then the Bitcoin price has changed. And so now to get to that level, the ADA valuation in USD would not even be, it wouldn't be quite as high because Bitcoin has come down. So if Bitcoin were, say, invariant, I mean, if ADA were to go up, let's say 8% from the current prices, where would that put ADA? Well, it put it right around $2, right above $2, maybe $2.07 or so. This would be going back to the prior local top in April of 2018. Okay, this would be the prior local top of 2018, early 2018, or April of 2018, not the local top of January 2018. That's a lot higher. So one thing we need to consider is that milestone important? Well, I think the importance of that milestone will depend on whether Bitcoin holds the 20-week. Okay, so again, I can't tell you exactly what's going to happen. We can sort of lay out the options and lay out what Bitcoin needs to do to make this happen. It's like programming. It's like a lot of if-then statements, right? So ADA is now at $1.93. Bitcoin's still testing the 20-week. Ethereum's not putting in new daily all-time highs right now. ADA's moving up. ADA looks bullish against Bitcoin. In order to get to that level, it needs to go up another 8%. Remember, ADAETH is just below, right now it's just below these prior local tops, okay? So I would start to get very, very bullish on ADAETH if you see us coming back this way. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean you should chase the pump, because that's not what I'm going to do. I'm just sitting on my ADA position. If we came back down to this level, then it might make sense to convert some Ethereum back to ADA. But for me right now, I'm sitting on my ADA position, and I'm hoping that at the very least, that ADA can continue this move against Bitcoin. It would also be a nice, it would be a nice surprise if it also moved back up to these levels against Ethereum. But it might be harder to do that because we also know Ethereum likes to move when Bitcoin's not in price discovery as well and above the 20-week SMA. So last time, Ethereum sort of paused for about 4 days, and during that 4 days, ADA capitalized on it. Okay, I don't know how long Ethereum's going to pause this time, but you can see that in the brief day that Bitcoin has come down and Ethereum has sort of paused, ADA's capitalizing on it. Because by the way, just a few days ago, ADA was at like $1.70 and Bitcoin was at like $57,000. Bitcoin's dropped by 7K or something. ADA's putting in new all-time highs. Remember, if Bitcoin's above the 20-week, altcoins still look relatively good. If Bitcoin's below the 20-week, good luck with altcoins. Okay, good luck with altcoins. So we'll see if ADA can make this run at $2. Remember that there are, we are coming up to a milestone here against Ethereum, the ADA Ether valuation, this 20-week SMA, I believe. So it would be interesting if we could get past that. If you're curious where that is, where it's at 49,221, we're at 49,845, so we are slightly above it. Look to see if we can get above that and start climbing above these prior local tops, which is actually around 57,000 or 58,000 against Ethereum. So we still have a little ways to go to prove bullishness against Ethereum. ADA already looks very bullish against Bitcoin, and it looks very bullish against USD. The main thing that would keep ADA from going to $2 and above, in my opinion, not financial advice, just in my opinion, would be Bitcoin going below the 20-week SMA. Okay, that would be the thing that would cause ADA to not make it to $2. But hopefully this video is informative and people are able to learn something from it. If you guys like the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. Also, remember to check out the ITC stake pool if you want to go earn interest on your ADA. Also, check out the sale on the premium list. You can find a link to that in the description below. Lock in the low rate. You'll get access to weekly reports and videos, the way I'm navigating the market, the risk dashboard, the Into the Cryptoverse app, and a whole lot more. Make sure you guys check it out. Thank you guys for tuning in. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.